This is Rittal's new VX Hybrid double door enclosure, a single solution system built for simplicity, durability, and quick mobility. Available in carbon and stainless steel. And with NEMA 4 and 4X protection, it's ready for the harshest environments. Its strength comes from the VX25 frame design, which has been engineered for maximum rigidity without added weight. This means easier handling, faster installs, and no compromises on protection. This versatile enclosure is fully compatible with VX25 accessories and future disconnect module accessory to meet changing requirements. Frame-based strength allows this enclosure to adapt to your build, giving you the flexibility to move fast and scale smarter. And it's built right here in Urbana, Ohio, ensuring faster deliveries that keep your project timelines on track. VX Hybrid Double Door. Stronger, faster, easier.